While the solar storm hitting the Earth's atmosphere is millions of miles away,
a major solar storm is giving people around the world a chance to see a spectacular light show.
The sun discharged a massive solar flare toward Earth, and today parts of the U.S. could see the northern lights.
Here comes the sun, and I say it's all right.
May 2024 was marked by a series of solar storms that reached Earth and caused some unusual effects. The Sun, our only star, and controls every aspect of our lives.
150 million kilometers keep us apart from this giant nuclear furnace.
Temperatures of millions of degrees and immense pressures inside produce nuclear reactions that radiate massive amounts of energy to the surface of the star.
No matter how I position myself, the needle always points off.
The Earth's core acts like a large magnet, making the needles align with their poles. The field lines of this immense magnet extend through space, forming the Earth's magnetosphere.
The magnetosphere acts as a shield that protects Earth from space radiation.
Solar storms is the most powerful source of radiation that reaches Earth. A solar storm is triggered by coronal mass ejection, where it releases a massive burst of charged particles. A classification system uses letters to identify the severeness of the solar storm. Those classified with the letter X are the most severe. Our Sun goes through activity cycles of approximately 11 years. Its activity is also observable by the increased presence of sunspots on its surface. X-rated solar storms have the potential to cause significant impacts on the Earth's magnetosphere. The aurora is basically a phenomenon caused by the interaction of Earth's magnetosphere and solar storms. The disturbances are so relevant that they are capable of affecting communication systems in Earth's orbit. Because of this, an entire infrastructure for observing solar activities exists. That's the case of SDO, Solar Dynamics Observatory, and probes like Parker, that is so close to the Sun that we say that it's touching it.
while the solar storm hitting the Earth's atmosphere is millions of miles away, as we know, the eruptions on the Sun are bringing the northern lights to regions that rarely see them.
We are in solar cycle 25. With the arrival of the month of May, solar activities that had been growing at an increasing pace reached their peak.
And now it's really heating up. I talked to an astrophysicist today. He told me this is a big deal.
From May 3 through May 9, SDO observed 82 solar flares, many of them X-class.
The SDO website provides observational images for anyone who wants to follow solar activities. So, visit sdo.gsfc.nasa.gov. Click on Data, then click on Ways to access data. You can explore all the options and let your imagination flow with what you can do with them. Click on Citizen Scientists to see the tools and links you have available to see real sun data collected by the SDO. To illustrate, we use the Python language to extract some images and compose an animation. Let's talk about the code we use. The main library used to obtain the images was requests. Other important library was image.io to create the GIF file, and basic Python libraries like OS and sys to handle files and save them. The code will be available at Github in the video description.
Here comes the sun.
We are BERG, Brazilian Educational Radio Astronomy Group.
Exploring the invisible through education.